Imagine transforming your garden into a lush, thriving oasis, teeming with vibrant plants and fertile soil. The secret to achieving this? Time-tested compost strategies. Composting not only enriches your soil, but also reduces waste. Let's explore how you can revitalize your garden with these effective techniques. First, consider the basics. A successful compost pile begins with the perfect balance of greens and browns. Greens include kitchen scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, which add nitrogen. Browns, such as dry leaves and twigs, provide carbon. Striking the right balance between these elements is crucial for efficient decomposition. Next, think layering, much like baking a cake. Start with a layer of twigs to ensure drainage. Then alternate between greens and browns. This strategic layering creates pockets of air, fueling the invisible army of microorganisms breaking down your compost pile. Remember, oxygen is vital, so an occasional turn with a pitchfork can accelerate the process. You may wonder how to speed up decomposition. Introducing compost accelerators, such as freshly cut grass or a generous shovel of well-rotted manure, can invigorate microbial activity. These natural boosters infuse your compost with energy, hastening the transformation into rich, dark humus. Water is the lifeblood of a vibrant compost heap. The mixture should feel about as moist as a wrung-out sponge. Too dry, and decomposition slows. Too wet, and it might begin to smell. Regular checks ensure optimal moisture levels and prevent common pitfalls. As months pass, patience rewards you with a rich, earthy material ready to nourish your plants. Simply spread it over your garden soil. Watch as it enriches your plants with nutrients, and behold the transformation. By embracing these time-tested compost strategies, you're choosing sustainable gardening. Not only do you cultivate a greener haven, but you also contribute to a healthier planet. Revitalize your garden and witness the astounding power of nature's recycling process.